Mamema Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TVGH Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime I post a video bit area Usame Kebi. E wujan for yana no ma santifo. Owefu. Na Abu boy ofu no. Ese NDC for celebrate June 4th. Enti na mbofu. If you have been following this channel no, you realize I'm one person that avoids ethnic communication. Run about tribal. Me better me find myself baby because people easily misinterpret things. But sometimes I say Yankasa. Look, me a Voltarian. And I can tell you, say, whenever NDC is in power or Volta region, whether they are doing well or not, we share about 90% of Voltarian now. On Beka say NDC, omunye she but omu penosa omu party no. That's what they will tell you. As my people have owned Volta region, NDC. Omo jetum say NDC omu die. And to say NDC ya deal, say NDC nya deal. And for election, they will get up and go and vote for NDC. But you know, asante for musi debi. Musi but munim say, muna mbeto aba. Esa muto aba no buma. Nebe boa MPP. And I say musumu only MPP no. And ukra say ebia MPP ba no. And yen amope bia na MPP ayamamo. That notwithstanding, munim say MPP wa ben mo. Se obi an fast camber tu button kra osu benye bi osu ukwa bonti a ukwa hoso kakra wenye kakra wo. And that is a truth, infallible truth. Infallible truth. But you see, out of and I she and say yo. Ensure ato akra. Market women are crying. Market women no. They are crying past say, oh, fire has destroyed Omunyama. Fire has destroyed Omunyama. Our vice president, our your bano, our promise a women's bank no. Akakoti na helicopter fufuro ya tomu. Eko Bono region, eko share sedun ketia, any NDC for so almost celebrating for June. Meanwhile, when them say if it's 4 June, no, ya wa won't for be akumemu because Matthew said papa be not take Ashanti region honu kumasi hono no. Juma odi di market women no, na easy, but NDC is still celebrating it. Why? Because they don't care about you. Almost row bia, omuna mo abayemo, omuna mo to me. And never be brave because June 4th celebration. Any important my NDC. At the end of the month, for you understand say musun, but eswa musun no. Yeah, it should be followed by action, and the action is what? Action, and they say NPP must come back. You must come and join NPP, the reorganization of NPP, and ensure that 2028. Papa. That is the only way to redeem yourselves. Aside that,
say me da bia na meti honom na me hu obi. Na I see that person to be a young person. Moja edi afusane e woni mu a wonim se adia yaye na ebeye ne ya o support to NDC no. I'm always surprised to see such person. Because I've not seen any person or NDC ni a waka asama ye reasonable da. Omo to onom no. Nyansa sam bia ne onom maka bi da wo mu wiase omo bae. Ena nam se atutua sam ne mogya hwegu sam ne sa ne mane nti no. eno ene wo o ma dream na nkanya saa. Imagine ade a omo de be ye maame no. Me at that time na minim grambo se na yawo me. No, I don't think so. Share and kwan a omo di nipa Rollins di nipa faso. I remember say that time emre bi ba na mi swa Saturday me wo kuma say na mi swa me ko kan bibi mam ka me maame just say em sen ko person ko di so ni me kra wo ni mem. So we are in this country yet Ghana has say and at least ye nimu yatimu yatiti nsem kakra about them no. Yes, if oba besia ye fa oba near the oba etia hwefom ye de ne sinse wiem ye mama ni oba ye monachi ye ntwa ne to ye money ba bia se na se ne ba ni mu no ena na ye twa aba ewo ne ba mu. Some of our mothers na ebinom antimi ansi wo mu eda da mu bie mu no I ne ebinum aye hiafo a ebinum omuntumi fa omumanko school. Some of them no omu nyina sa ne ma na omu fa mu nyina free JJ Rollins and this time na sa akwasi ageman na mo kana sem no. So if we the ones na sa time na ye wo kumase no akwasi ageman dwuma wo bedi ni wo Ashanti region me say sa dwu for friend dey say wo kan wo asema na anisu agu ni pankasa dwuma akwasi agima be di ni wa Ashanti region wuntumi mie wano wuntumi nye just say you can't do anything enye ya na do ni MPP adawroma kebi ma menka bia mamu ba ye na obi atumi ka bi na enkwasiafo isi wo mu manipa nya ahaban entenwe wo Ghana ha sei na ze ono John Dramani ma na osira asade osu ndi sade na yam ya na wo na adweso wo mpese obebu nipa wo Ghana ha sei no. We were here, a lot has happened. Oh, and that's what obi akoba bia o ye nyina obi ankoba bia. Some of us ni esusa and so maybe one santini also ye MPP NDC ni ana me ja papa because what I know and what I've heard and they say sankofo we no so omo tisimu so omo baba be ye omo ba ni eto abama wo ma the people are omo ye omo adwe so be target omo pa ya Ashantis. That is what NDC they are all about. The omo to me ya no say omo to me etna honom me mami biara menene ye adwuma say obo Rollins din ama me ne hotime poa na ohun ne onye osini kunu enam sa NDC fo ya so ne kunu besi enne papa na ntumi ansode anante ne namu biem besi nne. Papa ne dia hometie dia reho maame ne dia hometie dia reho e ma papa ne wuja maame ne ya it's only under NDC ruling ena ensuo tumi eto yema eja ehye nipa na ensuo nipa gina ensuo mu me say sa asam ne de ende na me wo pa na me kai because at that time no na me ye adwuma wa adabraka. I was working with a certain man. Ewa adabraka me the secretary. Me say me many yagani. Nana areho the filling station that people were dying nipa esino. Me say me kwa me amene mo kasa nyame ne di me ho afofie. Nyame ene di me ho afofie. Me kotwa mu free honum because baby ana asem ni see no se me chemo ye adabraka Vienna animo ayi circle Vienna animo honum there's a filling station baby as Ghana Commercial Bank dine wono that filling station na honum that is where adi we happen here wo honum na sadi we see
why
honum na sadi we see ye
NFC mai
na ukoshe die nipa famre nia eye ya enka me say munkoa na mumpana mo be Ghana mo ye to Ghana foto abama mo a munkoa na niema nwanwa mo ese Yesu no da bia ndisi fo nkoa na miracles di wo machi omunkoa na omumba be ye president o be rule Ghana na ni frafo ani bie na abubuafo nante na ayi apachefo ne niema nwanwasem nkoa na ebo ye nsema wo mu kra na me di manu si no me pamucho we want NPP leadership we want the leadership to listen to this ye me ye nkwase adwuma me ye machichi ye nkotum na mo sori nkonko ye nkonko hage kwase ampanyi no Ghana hanom it was only I can say the only person na didi atem Ghana had na didi atem na didi atem ya was Sami Gyamfi tibi di atem di Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo atem because me krampo na me nya Nana-Addo Dankwa no me ti asem na ye me yapa ma me yam hye me na what about nipa na ye di na atem na emu NPP leaders ye kan chem yi JFK Nana B any omo amukọ en slightete maame ewu a oye na eye that Saturday mutumi ja no ne de no hono kodi kwase ampanyi we achi hage no jese mu yi ye hia na se mu pese mu che se de ye ka kire mu ye se kokura mu wo we sa amfere se beto ne say what ya sawa betumo ye ka kire mu NPP leaders ye ka kire mu say ye na ye to aba no na ye yimo wo a ye hwa wontumi ne ye nkono we will let you step down. We will vote against you, and even if they don't vote against you, we will talk against you. So NDC for ne yana si yedi o matem. Omu kan kwasasa ne ye kan be kire wo mu a. Eno doesn't mean say wo ye MPP ni na odi semfo a. Ye be kan ya no atuma ma wo wafa anwo adi o. No, we're not going to allow that to happen because in kwase adwuma ne nyina ye na ye. Ya chi nkofo tum di nkofo ani egu nkofo ani masini nyina it is us ena ye san kwase adwuma ni nyina enti se ye me ye adwuma ni ye machi ye ntum ni ye keka kwase asem nche na mo sori nkonko chile mo nkonko ye